Alright, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Game Battles logo on Photoshop. You're going to need Photoshop CS5. I'll have a link in the description. I only have the trial right now, but I will be making a cracked version of it. Okay, I'm just going to wait for my trial. Yeah, I don't know how many days I have left. Just click on that. I got 24 days left, so click that. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is push File and New. Game Battles logos are 300 by 200. You can name it whatever you want. For my team name, it'll be, I'll do RNG. It's going to be specified for rated next generation. Okay. You can name it whatever you want. It'll give you this. You can extend it. From there, you're going to go to the paint bucket tool. You're going to choose your background color. I'm going to do a green. Okay, put that and click. It'll give you the green background. From there, you are going to come over here, click new layer. Okay, you're going to click the paintbrush tool, and I'll have a link in the description for the Roman paintbrushes, which should be these cool ones. And what it's going to do is make it look cool. Okay, I have to go over here again, go to color overlay. You'll see it gave you a color overlay, and you can come push it and change the color. I think I might go with the blue. Okay, then you can go okay, and then you're going to create another layer, right? So mostly you're creating a layer after everything you do. So then you're going to click the text button, and you're going to make a text box about how big you want it, right? So I'm just going to do RNG, right? I'm going to highlight it and make it bigger. You can see it won't be able to get bigger anymore because my box isn't big enough. So you can make it bigger, highlight it again, get it bigger. So make it about that big. And I'm going to move it to the top left. I'm going to change the color to a red. More of a red, not a pink. Alright. Click this, and I'm going to double click this. This is the options. You can have like drop shadow to make it look more highlighted. You can just play with all these buttons just to see exactly what you want. I'm going to do what looks best. I'm going to do a graded overlay, and then I'm going to click it to change the gradient. I'm going to do like that. That looks kind of cool. Alright. So far you have your logo. Alright, from there you're going to go OK and make another layer. I'll have a link in the description to download different fonts and different brushes. But for now, what I have for brushes, I'm going to do a gun. Alright? So you can download different brushes, whatever of your kind, or whatever you want. Okay, so I'm going to pick that brush and I'm going to lower the pixels so it can fit. It'll be quite small. But if I want, I'm going to actually delete this layer because I don't want it on that layer. I'm going to put it on the layer with all the scratches because then it's going to be behind the RNG. As you can see that, right? I'm going to actually undo that brush though, because I want the brush to be a red, orange. See, it's still going blue. You know why though? It's because I have it under the layer which I color overlaid it to blue. So that's not going to work. So forget what I said about putting on the scratch. Sorry guys, I'm just create a new layer, drag it up to the top, and you're going to put the gun behind. See if this works. That doesn't work, so you're going to undo that. Sorry, I'm learning while I'm showing you this. I don't really know if it matters that it's above. It kind of looks better. So we're just going to make it, push it right there. Alright, you're going to double click this. You can add things to make it look more noticeable. It's up to you. Okay. Mostly brushes is what is going to get all your shapes on your thing. Okay, I'm going to add some smoke coming out of each brush, or out of each gun, okay? So you're going to have to lower the pixelation. I'm going to add a new layer, remember? So I'm going to do a new layer, and I'm going to make the color, let's do a yellow smoke, okay? The yellow smoke coming out of there. Okay, that's a bad smoke brush. Sorry, there's many smoke brushes. Let's use this one. I'll try this one. Okay, it's gonna have to look different because it's so small. That's okay. We will somehow make it look better. Maybe if I made it bigger. Yeah, there's more smoke coming out. Alright. Now see, since that's my separate layer, I can make as much as I want to. And then double click it. And color overlay it. And I can make it a better color to be easily viewed. So a color that's not on here, you can make it like pink, so you can see it very easy. Okay. Let's do some black smoke because it's easy seen. Okay. Say okay. That layer is done. So you're gonna make a new layer just in case you can add anything else. Now, just so I can show you another thing, I'm gonna add. I have no idea what some of these brushes are. I know these are speakers. There's lots of speakers. I'll just put a random brush in there just so you guys can see it. Alright, I'll put it right here. Actually, I'll move that brush to here. You see, now I'm going to double click this and put a drop shadow so it's easy seen. Put bevel and emboss. Put some texture in it, some contour, and I'm going to no stroke. So, okay. Makes it look different. Okay, now I'm done. That's a logo that I've made. You can follow the same steps, make a logo similar, or you can follow the same steps and look things through and see if you can add things that are different. Thanks for watching, and this is a Photoshop tutorial on how to make a Game Battles logo. Also, before I finish, when you save it, it's going to save as a Photoshop format, okay? That's not going to be able to be posted on Game Battles. So you're going to save it as Photoshop in case you want to edit it, and then save as again as a JPEG. Quality 11. Alright? Click Photoshop, and you can do the same thing on on PC if you want. I'm on a Mac. But thanks for watching, and see you guys later.